Hi guys, today I'm going to talk to you about five things which you should do to improve your reading and the memory skills. Okay, I call it the W STEM concept. Okay, quickly I'll go through it. The W stands for why. So, whenever you are starting to read anything, starting to study, just think about why you need to study it. The why, whenever you will think about the why particularly why you want to read it, it will give you an internal urge or the motivation to uh, do it with full dedication, so that will enhance your focus. Okay, so the why is very important in the beginning of anything. Second thing is S, which stands for share. So, whenever you have read anything, share it with your study group circle, friends, or family. Okay, so the concept behind is this: whenever you share it after some time to anyone around you, basically it gets imprinted more and more deeper in your brain. So it refines your knowledge, it engrosses it deep beneath your mind, so that you will be able to remember it longer for a longer period. The third thing which is important is T, which is time. So most of the time, it has been observed and it has been researched that around 20 to 30 minutes is the time frame on which any person can focus with full diligently on any task which he is doing. So we encourage our students to only do only study for 20 to 30 minutes at a stretch, then take a 5 minutes break. Those 5 minutes should not be spent over the mobile or any reading any newspaper or peeping the computer or the TV. It should be utilized to free the mind basically. So go. What I follow is go to the balcony, look beyond skies, beyond our campus area. If there is a lot of greenery, I focus on those green things. So green leaves and the sky color basically, which is a light blue color. It lowers the stress level of your mind, it clears your mind and it refreshes it again and recharges it again, so that you can focus on your studies again. Okay, for next 30 minutes. So take 5 minutes break after every 20 to 30 minutes cycle. Okay, the third thing which is important is exercise. Whenever the exercise is the best medium to enhance the blood flow in your brain, and it helps in regeneration of the dead brain cells. So whenever you do exercise, that charges your heart, that increases your blood flow. It goes to the mind, it repairs your the entire nervous system. That will increase your capacity of memory. The last thing which is important is making notes. Okay, this is the most important part. We normally make notes as a student. Whenever teacher is saying something, we write it point to point, that's it. Okay, we don't make notes like we have to make others study. There is a huge difference between the two. At one time you are making notes as you are learner, and second time you are making notes as you have to teach someone. The basic difference between the two is that if you are making notes as you have to teach others, you will be doing you will be looking for the precisions of everything. Your on the back of your mind, a lot of questions will arise, that why is it so, what others can ask question if you are teaching them, what is the concept. So all these things goes on the back of mind when you are making notes, as you have to teach someone. So this is very important to make notes. You can do one thing. You can draw a line between the page. Left side you can make notes, like you are getting learned from whatever you are learning from the teacher or the college, whatever it is. And the second part of the copy, you should make notes as if you have to teach others. So you will see that many questions will arise in your mind, and you will be able to basically ask your teacher or guider or the mentor a lot of questions on that then, and your clarity over the subject will increase. So to improve your memory skills, to improve your grades, to improve your capacity, to improve your reading skills, all these 5 things are very important. So again, this is called, what I call it is W STEM concept. W stands for why, S stands for share, T stands for time, E stands for exam, and M stands for making notes. Okay, so follow this and increase your memory power and excel in life.